Shopping online may be as fun and exciting as it gets, but you have to protect yourself from scams and frauds, and here's how. Don't fall for unbelievable deals, especially during the holidays. You might be shopping from a well-known e-commerce store, but you still have to check the real prices. Not all bundle deals are steals. Check the website URL, design, and contact information. Fraudulent websites often have URLs that closely mimic well-known brands but contain slight misspellings or variation. Ensure that the website has a professional design. Poorly designed sites, excessive pop-ups, and inconsistent fonts and colors could be a red flag. Also check for the whole web shop and look for a company's information like the contact and address. Legitimate online stores provide clear contact information, including a physical address, phone number, and email. If you can't find any way to get in touch with the seller or if the contact details seem suspicious, it's a sign of potential fraud. Another thing, you can try the domain age checker. Here, let me show you.
I wanted to check this website, so first go to Google and then search for any domain age checker, and then after that get the URL and paste it here and then wait for it to load. Here it shows the domain name, when it was created, the age, when it was uploaded, and when it will expire.
And while you're doing a research, you can try searching for social media and check the reviews. Check the authenticity of the products and be wary if there's lack of reviews or if the reviews seem overly positive without any negative feedback. And also look for a proof of purchase and photos uploaded by the buyers. Be aware of fake advertisements. Those advertisements that are showing reviews and advertisements from well-known celebrities and influencers which are obviously edited. Check for trust seals and SSL encryption when checking out. Legitimate online stores often display trust seals and SSL, also known as Secure Sockets Layer. You can find this in their checkout pages. This indicates that the website takes security seriously and is committed to protecting your personal and financial information. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, just like this one. And also another thing, do not enter your credit card information easily. Try to use a digital wallet card first, and also do not use your main email address. Maybe you can use a dummy one for shopping. If you want to know more about e-commerce updates, please consider subscribing and like our page. See you next time!